Seniors and Social Security recipients. Your benefits could be at risk if action isn't taken before January 1st. Missing critical updates or deadlines may cost you thousands in lost payments, including up to $2,700 this year. Understanding what needs attention now can protect your income and ensure your benefits continue without interruption. Don't wait. Your financial security depends on timely preparation. Maintaining accurate personal and financial information with the Social Security Administration is essential to ensure uninterrupted benefits. Even minor discrepancies in your records can trigger delays, misdirected payments, or, in some cases, reductions in the benefits you rely on. The SSA uses the information on file to calculate, verify, and distribute monthly Social Security, SSI, or SSDI payments. If any element, such as your mailing address, phone number, or email, is outdated, critical notices or alerts may not reach you. This can lead to missed deadlines for verification requests, disability reviews, or income reporting, which are all processed automatically at the start of the new year. A simple oversight like a recently changed phone number or a move to a new residence can inadvertently interrupt your benefits. Equally important is ensuring that your banking information is up to date. Most Social Security payments are delivered via direct deposit, and any errors in account or routing numbers can result in delays or funds being sent to the wrong account. These errors are not always immediately detected, and recovering misdirected payments often involves time-consuming verification and paperwork. Regularly confirming that your direct deposit details are accurate minimizes the risk of missing a payment and provides peace of mind as the system transitions into the new benefit year. Reporting changes in income is another critical step. The SSA closely monitors any variation in wages, pensions, or financial support that could affect eligibility or payment amounts, particularly for SSI and income-sensitive programs. Even modest changes, such as taking on part-time work, receiving a pension, or receiving financial assistance from family members, must be reported promptly. Failure to update this information can trigger retroactive adjustments or reductions, potentially affecting several months of benefits and accumulating losses in the thousands of dollars over a year. By proactively reviewing and updating personal contact details, banking information, and income records, beneficiaries protect their monthly payments and reduce the likelihood of disruptions. Taking these steps before key deadlines, such as January 1st, is particularly crucial, as the SSA recalculates benefits, applies cost of living adjustments, and reviews eligibility annually. Staying meticulous, organized, and informed ensures that benefits continue uninterrupted, safeguarding the financial stability that retirees and disabled individuals rely on. For seniors and Social Security recipients, ensuring that Medicare premiums, plan selections, and enrollment information are accurate is a critical step in maintaining uninterrupted benefits. Many beneficiaries are unaware that even minor errors or outdated information can result in unexpected deductions from their monthly Social Security payments. Medicare premiums are often automatically deducted from Social Security checks, so discrepancies in plan selection, premium amounts, or enrollment status can directly reduce the net payment received. For example, switching Medicare plans or making coverage changes without updating SSA records can lead to double billing, delayed coverage, or withheld payments until the issue is corrected. Regularly reviewing Medicare enrollment details and confirming that premiums match the deductions listed on SSA statements is essential to avoid these complications. Equally important is understanding how the annual cost of living adjustment impacts Social Security and related income-based programs, such as supplemental security income. COLA increases are designed to help beneficiaries keep pace with inflation, but they can also push recipients closer to income limits for SSI and other means-tested programs. Even a modest increase in Social Security benefits could inadvertently trigger a reduction in SSI or other assistance if total income exceeds eligibility thresholds. Monitoring these adjustments and understanding how they interact with your overall financial situation ensures that benefits are maximized and that no unexpected reductions occur. Timely attention to all correspondence from the Social Security Administration is another crucial element of maintaining consistent payments. Notices about verification requests, income reporting, or eligibility reviews often arrive via mail or email, and missing even a single deadline can result in suspended benefits. Many beneficiaries assume that no response is necessary, if a notice appears routine or minor, but the SSA treats deadlines seriously. Ignoring these communications, even unintentionally, can trigger automatic holds on monthly payments until required documentation or confirmations are submitted. By carefully managing Medicare details, staying informed about COLA impacts, and responding promptly to all SSA communications, recipients can prevent interruptions, avoid unnecessary deductions, and maintain financial stability. Proactive attention to these factors is particularly important at the turn of the year when annual adjustments and benefit recalculations occur. Remaining diligent and organized ensures that every dollar earned through Social Security continues to support the financial security and healthcare needs of seniors and vulnerable recipients. Keeping the Social Security Administration informed about life changes is essential to ensuring uninterrupted benefits. Moves, changes in marital status, or shifts in household income can significantly impact eligibility and payment amounts for Social Security, supplemental security income, or Social Security disability insurance. When you move, even within the same city, failing to update your mailing address can prevent critical notices from reaching you. These notices often include deadlines for income verification, eligibility reviews, or documentation requests. Missing them can trigger delays, reductions, or temporary suspensions of your benefits. Similarly, changes in marital status, such as marriage, divorce, or the death of a spouse, can alter benefit entitlements or require recalculations. Household income shifts, including the addition of new income sources or changes in financial support, must also be reported promptly. In programs like SSI, which are means tested, exceeding income or asset thresholds, whether from wages, pensions, or financial assistance, can lead to partial or full benefit reductions. Proactively reporting these changes allows SSA to make accurate adjustments before payments are disrupted, avoiding the need for retroactive corrections that can be time-consuming and financially stressful. For SSDI recipients, continuing disability reviews are a key mechanism the SSA uses to confirm ongoing eligibility. These reviews typically involve submitting medical records, attending examinations, or providing updates on treatment and functional status. Missing a deadline or failing to provide complete documentation can result in benefit interruptions, even if your disability status has not changed. The SSA applies strict timelines to CDRs to ensure compliance with program regulations, and any delay in response can lead to automatic suspension of payments until the review is resolved. Maintaining an organized record of medical updates, doctor's notes, and treatment histories facilitates timely responses to SSA requests and minimizes the risk of delays. By promptly reporting life changes and staying proactive in submitting required medical documentation, beneficiaries safeguard their income, maintain compliance with SSA regulations, and prevent unnecessary interruptions in their financial support. These steps are especially critical at the start of a new year, when benefit recalculations and eligibility reviews are applied across the system. Attention to detail, timely action, and organized record keeping ensure that your Social Security or disability benefits continue seamlessly, protecting both financial stability and peace of mind. For recipients of Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, maintaining awareness of income and resource limits is critical to preventing automatic reductions in benefits. SSI and other means-tested programs are designed to provide financial assistance to those with limited income and assets. Each year, the Social Security Administration, SSA, evaluates the total income and resources of recipients, including wages, pensions, bank accounts, investments, and even certain forms of financial support from family members. Exceeding these limits, even temporarily, can trigger an immediate reduction or suspension of benefits. Unlike retirement benefits, which are generally guaranteed once eligibility is established, SSI and similar programs are sensitive to changes in income and assets. Proactively monitoring these limits, reporting any changes promptly, and keeping accurate records helps ensure that benefits continue uninterrupted and prevents retroactive adjustments that could result in substantial financial strain. Equally important is understanding how prior overpayments can affect current and future payments. Overpayments occur when the SSA determines that a recipient was previously paid more than they were entitled to, often due to delayed reporting of income changes, miscalculations, or administrative errors. When an overpayment is identified, The SSA typically establishes a repayment plan, which can involve monthly deductions from ongoing benefits. Without a clear understanding of the repayment process, recipients may experience confusion or financial hardship when deductions are applied. Familiarizing yourself with repayment schedules, negotiating manageable repayment amounts if necessary, and staying in communication with the SSA can prevent deductions from causing unnecessary strain and ensure that future benefits remain predictable. Being proactive in managing income, assets, and overpayment issues is particularly important at the start of a new benefit year, when the SSA recalculates eligibility, applies cost of living adjustments, and updates income limits. Failure to take timely action can result in unexpected reductions or extended recovery periods. By carefully tracking income sources, adhering to reporting requirements, and addressing overpayments strategically, recipients maintain financial stability, compliance with SSA regulations, and peace of mind. Vigilance in monitoring income, resources, and prior payment adjustments is not just a procedural necessity. It is a safeguard that ensures every dollar of earned or entitled benefits is preserved. Staying organized, informed, and responsive protects recipients from interruptions, prevents unnecessary financial loss, and reinforces the long-term security that Social Security and SSI programs are designed to provide. Protecting your Social Security benefits requires careful attention to communications and documentation. One of the most critical aspects of this process is distinguishing between official SSA correspondence and potential scams. Scammers often target seniors and other benefit recipients with phone calls, emails, or messages claiming urgent deadlines, supposed overpayments, or immediate action required. These fraudulent communications are designed to create panic and prompt recipients to provide sensitive personal information such as social security numbers, bank account details, or personal identification information. Responding to such requests can lead to identity theft, financial loss, or even unauthorized changes to your benefits. The SSA emphasizes that official notices are sent via mail or secure online accounts, and the agency never demands personal information over the phone or email in an unsolicited manner. Being vigilant and cautious with all communications is essential to safeguard your income and personal data. Equally important is the routine review of SSA statements for accuracy and discrepancies. Social Security statements summarize your benefit amounts, reported income, and historical earnings, providing a comprehensive record of your entitlements. Errors can occur due to administrative oversight, unreported income, or miscalculations, and even small discrepancies can have significant financial consequences when applied over multiple months or years. By reviewing your statements carefully, you can identify any inconsistencies, verify that income and earnings are reported correctly, and ensure that projected benefits align with your expectations. This proactive approach is particularly vital as the new year approaches, when benefits are recalculated, cost of living adjustments are applied, and eligibility reviews are conducted. Maintaining organized records of all SSA communications, including statements, letters, and online notices, allows beneficiaries to respond quickly to legitimate requests and avoid unnecessary interruptions. It also helps to create a clear audit trail in case questions arise about past reporting or benefit adjustments. Combined with strict vigilance against fraudulent communications, this practice ensures that your benefits are protected, payments are received as intended, and potential issues are addressed promptly. By prioritizing official SSA communications and regularly reviewing benefit statements, recipients reinforce the security and accuracy of their Social Security income. This diligence reduces the risk of missed deadlines, prevents unauthorized access to sensitive information, and helps guarantee that every dollar of earned benefits continues to support financial stability, particularly during critical recalculation periods at the start of each year. January marks a critical period for Social Security recipients, as the SSA conducts automatic recalculations of benefits for the new year. These recalculations incorporate cost of living adjustments, updates to income limits, and verification of eligibility for programs such as supplemental security income or Social Security disability insurance. Because these adjustments are applied systemically, any outdated or incomplete information in your SSA records can trigger delays, reductions, or even temporary suspension of benefits. Ensuring that all personal, Financial and income-related information is accurate before January is therefore essential to maintain uninterrupted payments. A key component of this preparation is maintaining organized financial documentation. Tax returns, bank statements, pension records, and other forms of income verification should be readily accessible as the SSA may request proof to confirm reported earnings or household resources. For recipients of SSI and other means-tested programs, documentation of both income and assets is particularly important, as even small discrepancies can result in recalculated benefit amounts. Similarly, SSDI beneficiaries undergoing continuing disability reviews may need to provide medical records or updated physician reports. Having these documents prepared in advance ensures that requests can be fulfilled promptly, minimizing the risk of delayed payments. Proactive preparation also serves as a safeguard against unanticipated financial losses. Without timely updates and verification, even brief interruptions in benefits can accumulate into significant reductions over several months, sometimes totaling thousands of dollars annually. Preparing ahead allows beneficiaries to identify and correct any errors in SSA records, submit required documents on time, and confirm that automatic deductions, such as Medicare premiums, are calculated correctly. In addition to preventing payment disruptions, this level of preparedness promotes peace of mind. Knowing that your information is accurate, complete, and up to date reduces stress during the busy end-of-year period and ensures that January transitions smoothly. Staying proactive also allows beneficiaries to respond quickly to any unexpected issues that may arise during recalculation, avoiding prolonged delays and lengthy resolution processes. Ultimately, understanding the significance of January recalculations, keeping all relevant documentation organized, and addressing potential discrepancies in advance provides a powerful layer of protection for Social Security benefits. This preparation not only preserves financial stability, but also ensures that recipients receive the full benefits to which they are entitled, maintaining a secure and predictable income throughout the year. Taking action before January 1st is essential to safeguard every dollar of your Social Security benefits. By updating your information, verifying income, and responding to SSA notices, you ensure your payments continue without interruption. A few careful steps now can prevent delays, reductions, or overpayment issues that could cost thousands over the year. Protect your financial security and peace of mind by staying proactive and informed. Your benefits depend on it.